We got a damn good show for you tonight. What do you say, Jane?
Yeah, we got a damn good show. Let's get her done.
All right.
Good day, folks. It is a foggy, wet day here today. And just to give you an idea of where I'm at and what I'm doing, I'm at the end of a dead-end road here. And down through the woods is the end of another dead-end road. And it is connected down through here by this old trail. So I'm going to go down and check it out. And down at the other end is a saltwater cove. Now, I believe this is the sort of area you want to check out. This is an old road too, by the way. It is paved up. The pavement stops here. And as you can see, it just turns into an old trail through the woods. I can see right through here, there's some debris right in there. So I'm going to check right along here before heading down through there. I got the detector with me as well, as you can see. So let's check it out and let's get into it. Alright, so I just hopped right in the woods here, folks. Just off the road. And I see something right down through there, and it looks like it might be... Oh, my detector's caught on a tree. Looks like it might be the remains of an old vehicle. I thought I'd just get you up while I make my way down through here. Good God. Yeah, I think it is. Yep, for sure. Looks like an old VW bug. Yeah. Punch buggy gray and you can't punch back, Jane. Alright. Let's keep looking around. There's a plate on the front of it there. Okay, so I made my way down through the woods here, folks, and I'm heading back to the road, the old trail. I see here's another vehicle here. What's left to it? Appears to be quite old as well. It's got a bit of age to it. You can tell just by the design of the thing. Oh, maybe from the 50s. Another thing I wanted to do today, folks, was I got a couple big bags of bottles I want to stash in the woods, just to get them out of my home that I haven't got the space for them. No sense in them me keeping them there, taking up space. They're really not worth anything, maybe at $1 a piece at the most. So I'm just going to stash them in the woods somewhere, and if I ever have a need for them or find a sale for them, I'll know where they're at. Simple as that. Just make a little cash in the woods. Now, somebody was telling me about these rods being in the trunks of these old cars and how they make great probes. So I got one kind of started out of here. That was one of the commenters. I forget who it was now. Mentioned it. I wish I could, if I remember, I'll give a little shout out down at the bottom there. So I'm going to get this out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I made my way down to the shoreline here, folks. I got a little off track following that trail. But, so I got the detector going down on the shore, and I got this piece here just come out. And I believe that is going to be solid brass. Sure looks like it. Look how that's shining up. Got a nice patina on it there. Right there I got the heel to a bottle as well. Broken, of course. I'm going to keep detecting around the shoreline here. See if anything else pops up. Okay, not far away from that brass piece, I got a signal right here. It's ringing up pretty good. Right about here somewhere. Let me just do a quick scratch. See if anything comes out. There's something right there, look. Another, look. Nice brass piece. It's identical to that other piece. Only this one's got the screws in it as well. And they are brass. Nice. Anybody got any idea what that is? I'm assuming it's nautical. It's off a boat or something. Very good. Get a couple pictures of it there. Alright, we got another signal right there, and it's ringing up good too, with discrimination on. So right here amongst these rocks. Let's see what comes out. If I don't get it right away, I'll turn you off and then get you back up on. So far I'm not seeing anything. Right there, look. That's another one of those. I think that one's brass as well. Yep. She's got a little more patina on this one though. Regardless, they're going to clean up good. I'll throw them in a solution there and get them cleaned up. Let you see them. Do a little clip or picture, at least something. But yeah, right on. That second one looked real nice. Okay, folks, here are these three solid brass items that got off the beach metal detecting. Now, this is no secret technique or anything. I'm just going to add this iron out rust stain remover to them in the water here, and I'm going to let that do its thing for 2 or 3 hours, and then I'm going to take them out and scrub them up, and we'll see how they look. Hang tight. Okay, so these have been in there for 2 hours now. Now normally they'd be blacker than a boot when I take them out, which of course they kind of are. You can see the black coming right out on the, but with a little scrubbing I mean that all washes right off, and they'll shine right up. So I'll get at that and then I'll get you back up on and show you the finished product. Alright folks, here's the final one here. Camera set up a little bit odd there, so bear with me. I'll just got a wire brush here, and I'm just scraping them like that, and all that black is just, I mean, I literally could wipe it off with my fingers, but you know, it works a lot better with a wire brush. So see, that's all I'm doing. See how nice that cleans up. Okay, viewers, so here's the final products here. They turned out really well. And whatever they are definitely solid brass. If anybody's got any ideas what they may be, just put it in the comments down below. Okay, I just come up off the shore, folks, and make my way over to the other side of the rocks here to the shore. And here's an old structure up here in the woods. I just noticed. I'm not going to be going inside of it. It's like a one-room building. Doesn't look very safe. So windows on the front of it there. Anyways, I'll have a look around, see if there's anything around the outskirts of it. Would have had a beautiful view with these trees out here, right out under the salt water. Check it out, folks. I'm heading back, and of course I'm up by this stream here, outlet running into the salt water. And this is the remains to a bridge here, right on the edge of this cliff. And if I look straight across on the other side, you can see the concrete from over there on that side. I had no idea this was here. This is fairly close. This is fairly close to my home base too. Of course, you can't see that from over on that side because all the bushes and stuff right on the edge there. And you probably couldn't see this side here either from over there, since it's right in the middle of the trees. Very cool. There's a bit of a drop down there. So this was the old road here, or maybe a train track might have come down through here. Huh. It's not very wide. I mean, you can see there's the edge right there. Runs right to the edge of that would be the corner of the bridge. One corner there and one corner there. This stuff fascinates me. I gotta head back up that way, I guess. I'll keep swinging that detector too. Okay, on my way out of here now, folks. And I'm getting a pretty good signal right there. I thought I'd get you up while I dig that up. Actually turned into be a pretty good little explorer. Okay, that's a rock there. Got those 3 solid brass pieces. That was nice. And that piece I can make a probe out of. Then I still got to go stash those bottles. I'm going to put you down for now. I'll get you back up if anything comes out of here. Hang tight.
A few moments later.
Okay, folks. So I made it up to my secret stash spot. And as you can see, I've already stashed some here from the past. And they're mostly just slicks. You know, like 50-cent, $1 bottles. Some are cork tops. Some are hand blown. Some aren't. But anyways, if I ever find a market for them, then I know where they're at. Otherwise, I just can't afford the space in my living area to store these. So there's 2 more big bags full of them there. I'm gonna pull them out and stack them up here upside down, of course, so the water doesn't get in them and freeze and break. So I'm gonna unload those, and then I'll get you back up on perhaps. Okay, folks, so there they all are as of now. I'm gonna be adding more to it, I'm sure. But I'm in a fairly discreet location, and I don't think anybody's gonna stumble upon these, and even if they did, they probably wouldn't bother them. So alright, over and out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Have a great day, everybody.